Hey guys, this is... I had to sneeze there, never mind. This is... Never mind. This is BSB. We're good, alright. Hello, this is BSB Champion, aka Cory Dominic, and that was weird. This is just another vlog, so here's the intro for the vlogs. If you don't like it, I'll make this for the random video one. Here we go.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody.
Anyway, I just wanted to check in. At the end of the week, it's Friday. Tomorrow, I will have a new random video up at, I believe it's up for 2 o'clock. Lexi, say hi. Oops, other way. Lexi, say hello. Yeah, that's my dog. Anyway, new video up at, I believe, 2. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe. If you like the video, like it. If you don't, who cares? What else would you like me to do for the random video / random vlogs on Friday and Saturday? Sunday, video episode will be up. And on Wednesday, the first monologue should be up. Okay, thanks for checking in. And daily video of the day is done.